Gotta go to the post office. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things today. Not bad. Just a couple $100, I don't know. For someone that said they're ready, we're waiting on you. Today?
Stupid.
Let's go. Drive around the road and boom, scrap metal. It's nice like bed frame or something. Good score, nice and heavy. Good thing I brought my trailer. I have to go pick up 2 runs of scrap. Gotta go post office first. Busy. Still on your phone?
Sure.
This house again. They always bring me a whole bunch of stuff. When they have a bunch of stuff, they call me. So awesome. Always make friends. This is my friend's house, and these people moved in and they're throwing some metal out, and so he came over and's like, my friend takes metal for free. So they gave me so much stuff so far. It's raining out, but going for a little walk. I seen bed frames, and I need bed frames to build this thing I want to build, and here they are. Hell yeah. Bed frames are cheap angle iron, and I need some angle iron. Alright, this is my contractor friend again. He has a dumpster in his backyard with a lot of nice iron from like porches and stuff. So sweet. Some days getting scrap metal is fun. I'm just drenched. And some days it sucks. Today, it sucked. So I weighed 600 pounds, so I got $36.43. I didn't take any of the heavy metal, none of the railings, none of the heavy stuff, and I kept a couple bed frames, like that stuff that I picked up. I kept that, so I didn't drop everything off. I'll show you one day what I'm gonna do with the railings to like your banisters for porches. I'm gonna weld some cool stuff up with them, so, and then I'll scrap what I don't use as heavy metal. So busy day. Soccer. Coach Marcus. That's me. I had to go to soccer. I guess I forgot to lock my truck last night. But we gotta go to soccer, and I gotta pick up a hot water heater today, and I got a couple calls I gotta call back. But yeah, busy. All right, I'm cleaning the garage. I'm gonna put the lathe right here. I used to have that right there. These freaking lockers. I got them from like an old mechanics. It says like body, engine tools and stuff. But I had it for 2 years and I never put anything in it. So I'm getting rid of that. I'll use the lathe one day. I'm gonna fix it all up, restore it. I'll use it one day. So I'll just put it back there. I don't know, maybe I'll make something cool. A bowl or something, I don't know. It was free, so yeah. I got all the tools over here, all the bikes, so trying to get some of it clean. Yeah. All right, scrapyard run. I got that's not working, it's leaking oil. The one seal's broken, like it's cracked. Not had this whole big barrel, computer parts, all that crap. That's heavy, so it might be a good load. There's a scrap pile today. A lot of stuff, a lot of refrigerators. I see a lot of stuff that's worth more money than scrap. £500 for $30.36. So not bad. Scrap isn't really going down as much in my area than it is in like the south where they're having the floods, and a lot of scraps going to the scrap here that they didn't expect, but oh well, money's money. So I gotta donate some items that I have. I want to get my garage cleaned, and we're gonna play bingo, right? Being shy. I have a lot of stuff to pick up tomorrow, so see you tomorrow.